Ini cakep banget ya.
Bagus pemandangan kan.
Stabilize.
Toga.
N1. Medic Chow, Toga.
Check.
Set takeoff thrust.
Check.
Takeoff thrust is set. Cepat, right?
Check.
V1.
Okay. What's the debris?
Gear up.
LM.
Check. Enough speed, arm 891, 896, check. 92, N1, change. Flaps 5. Flaps 1. Update heading. Yes, monitoring. Flaps up, speed intervention. Yeah, keep it to 30 is fine. Yeah. Okay. Contact.
Yeah.
Okay, Direct Bravo Alpha, check update heading. Okay, Command Bravo. Check. After takeoff, checklist please. Check. Heading south. Yeah, EWA to 5 miles. Check, verify, clear. FM, we are clear. Okay. Redirect Bravo Alpha, please. Check, skid and LNAV. Check. To take up checklist, please.